Ever found yourself in that awkward moment? You're splitting a dinner bill or paying back a friend for concert tickets, and someone says, "Just Zelle me or Venmo me," and you're left standing there, wondering, are they the same thing? Are they different? And more importantly, which one should you actually be using? We live in a world where instant payments are the norm. We're moving away from physical cash, and these apps, these digital wallets, are supposed to make our lives easier. But with so many options, it's easy to get lost in the jargon and the features. Today, we're diving headfirst into the Zelle versus Venmo debate. We're going to break down the differences, the similarities, the pros, and the cons, so you can make an informed decision about which one is right for you. Let's start with the basics. Both Zelle and Venmo are digital payment platforms that allow you to send and receive money electronically. They're designed for quick, convenient transfers, often between friends, family, or small businesses. But that's where a lot of the similarities end. Zelle is directly integrated with many major U.S. banks. This is a crucial distinction. When you use Zelle, the money is transferred directly from your bank account to the recipient's bank account. This means there's no intermediary holding your funds. It's a direct, bank-to-bank transaction. Think of it as an electronic check. This direct connection to banks has several implications. First, it often means faster transfer times. In many cases, the money arrives in the recipient's account within minutes. Second, it generally means higher transfer limits, as banks often allow larger transactions through Zelle than through other peer-to-peer payment apps. Finally, it also means a higher degree of security, since the transaction is handled within the established banking infrastructure. If you already bank with one of these major institutions, you likely have Zelle built right into your banking app. This makes it incredibly convenient, as you don't need to download a separate app or create a new account. Now, let's talk about Venmo. Venmo, on the other hand, is a standalone app owned by PayPal. It's known for its social features, its user-friendly interface, and its focus on peer-to-peer payments. One of the defining features of Venmo is its social feed. When you send or receive money, you can add a description and emojis, and this transaction is often visible to your friends. This social aspect has made Venmo popular among younger users, who often use it to split bills, pay for shared expenses, or simply send small amounts of money to friends. Unlike Zelle, Venmo doesn't directly transfer money between bank accounts. Instead, it maintains a Venmo balance. When you receive money, it's added to your Venmo balance. You can then use this balance to send money to others or transfer it to your bank account. Venmo also offers a debit card and a credit card, which allow you to spend your Venmo balance directly. This adds another layer of versatility to the platform. So, let's break down the key differences. Bank integration. Zelle is integrated with banks, while Venmo is a standalone app. Transfer speed. Zelle often offers faster transfers, typically within minutes. Venmo transfers can take 1 to 3 business days to your bank account. Transfer limits. Zelle generally has higher transfer limits, dictated by your bank. Venmo has lower limits. Social features. Venmo has social features, while Zelle does not. Fees. Zelle is generally free for sending and receiving money. Venmo is also free for standard transfers but charges fees for instant transfers to your bank account and for commercial transactions. Security. Zelle benefits from the security infrastructure of banks. Venmo has its own security measures, but it doesn't have the same level of bank-grade security. Use cases. Zelle is often preferred for larger transactions and when speed is essential. Venmo is popular for smaller, social transactions. Let's look at some practical examples. Splitting a dinner bill with friends. Venmo might be a better choice due to its social features and ease of use. Paying rent to your roommate. Zelle might be preferable due to its higher transfer limits and faster transfer times. Sending money to a family member in an emergency. Zelle's speed and direct bank transfer make it ideal. Paying a small business for services. Venmo's business profiles and purchase protection might be beneficial. Paying back a friend for concert tickets. Venmo, due to its common use in social situations. Now, let's address some common concerns. Security is a major issue with any digital payment platform. Both Zelle and Venmo have security measures in place, but it's crucial to be aware of potential scams. Double-check recipient information. Always verify the recipient's phone number or email address before sending money. Be wary of scams. Be cautious of requests for money from unknown individuals or businesses. Enable two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of security to your account. Don't send money to strangers. Both platforms are designed for sending money to people you know and trust. In summary, Zelle and Venmo are both valuable tools for sending and receiving money. However, they serve slightly different purposes. Zelle is ideal for larger, faster transfers within the banking system, while Venmo is better suited for smaller, social transactions. Ultimately, the best platform for you depends on your individual needs and preferences. Consider the types of transactions you typically make, the amount of money you need to transfer, and the importance of speed and social features. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.